Hey guys, it's your girl M. Welcome back to my channel. Most of you don't know this about me, but I am like a total freaking thrift god, okay? So, I went to Goodwill 2 days ago, yesterday, the other day, something like that. I went to Goodwill and I got a few shirts and I was actually just gonna do like a thrift haul, but then I was like, okay, wait, these shirts are freaking boring. Yeah, so like sometimes you just need to up the game and revamp old things, you know, make them better. So I thought, why not take some boring stuff and make it good. You might be like, Emma, girl, what you doing on your bed? My closet was right in the background of my last video and it just freaked me out. In case you missed the last video, hi, I'm Emma and my room is haunted.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I got 4 shirts, a pair of sweatpants, and a belt, but one of my shirts is freaking missing. I got a white NASA t-shirt and it's gone. Today I'm gonna put my awesome skills, like I said, thrift and DIY and baking god. I'm gonna put those skills to the test and embarrass myself more on social media, because that's just what I love to do. Okay, let's get started. First thing I got was this white belt. Solid. Oh my gosh, it's a Target belt. I got it for $1. $1. It's like the game headbands. Next, I got these gray Reebok sweatpants. I'm not gonna wear them anywhere, they're just kind of for me. I'm gonna show you what the shirts look like now and try them on now, and then I'm gonna cut them and do stuff to them and then show you after and just kind of like explain what I did. So this first one is a blue like baseball tee look and it says S&B Athletics Sportswear. I don't know, I thought it was cute. So this one I plan to cut it kind of in the back and up the front and make it like a knotted crop top almost. This one my mom found. So whoever made this, proud of you, sis. I don't like your color choice, but it's a tie-dye shirts. Okay, the color choice on camera looks good, but in person, the brown is like poop brown. She has been worn. So if you made this t-shirt, shout out to you. So for this one, I think I'm gonna cut like a V right here because I like the pattern of the tie-dye, how it almost comes to a V. So I'm gonna cut like a V but leave the collar. I like this one, I don't wanna ruin it. Okay, this last one is my favorite one and it's probably like the simplest, stupidest shirt ever, but I'm so excited for it. It's just a yellow Fruit of the Loom large t-shirt. For this one, I think I'm just going to cut it into a crop top and then cuff the sleeves up. I don't think they're gonna turn out how I'm picturing in my head. I hope so, but I'm a complete flop, so anything I do always just like freaking blows up in my face. So yeah, let's get cracking! Did I make them look terrible? Yes. So the first one was this baseball tee, and I like how it turned out. When I tried it on, it was super cute. It's just like definitely a summertime shirt. When I was wearing the shirt originally, I just marked it with a pen where I wanted the crop to be, the back of this one, and then I used a tape measure to mark every 2 inches straight across, and then I cut that out, including down the sides. With the front portion that was left, just cut it straight up the middle. And then I just knotted the front 2 parts. Super simple. And I know it looks kind of crazy like this, but it's super cute and I'm really excited to wear it. But yeah. The next one was my favorite shirt, the tie-dye one. This shirt was so cute by itself. Like, I really wish I wouldn't have cut it because now I'm really upset because I messed it up. First of all, the triangle is huge. It's really big and it's off center. Oh, I just want to throw this away now. You should do, and what I didn't do was mark the triangle when you were wearing it. I did not do that. I just laid the shirt out and folded it where the center was and made a triangle myself, just like a paper snowflake. The last one is this yellow shirt. I'm struggling. When I had it on, I just marked with a pen exactly where I wanted the cloth to be. Then I laid it down and just marked every 2 inches across with a tape measure and then just cut it straight across. And with the remaining part of fabric, I made a headband. So what I did was just took the material and I kind of stretched it and pulled it like this. And then I twisted it around itself a few times. I put my hands in the middle of it and then twisted it and grabbed. And boom! That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bumps in your heart.